Hello everyone! My name is Alejandro Villamizar and today I'm gonna show you how to be able to do a pistol squat. Are you ready for this? Let's get into it! Alright, so I'm gonna show you 3 steps in order to be able to accomplish your pistol squat. Alright, and let's start with the first step. Alright, everyone will think that a pistol squat, the most important thing that you need is strength on your quads, right? But no, actually the most important thing that you need is ankle mobility. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a movement that will allow you to improve your ankle mobility. Alright, so this is the first step. Just using a bench, using a unstable chair, really important, stable chair. And what we're going to do is this movement. We're gonna place our hands on the knee and we're gonna lean the full body, the knee, the torso, the trunk, the full body forward, all right? As much as you can, all right? Awesome. What we need to do is improve the Achilles tendon mobility, the ankle mobility, all right? And the way that we can do it is holding 10 seconds here, going up. 10 seconds here, going up. This is a great way of warming up, but also of improving your mobility. All right? We can do 10 of these for one side, 10 of these to the other side. All right? This is the first step. Second step that we're going to do is, well, now we're going to the strength, quads strength, okay? And I'm gonna show you this movement by doing it on the floor. You can do it by using a brick, by using a plate, if you have plate on your gym or in your house. And I'm gonna do it with my left leg. The way we're going to do it is getting used to the movement, to the full body movement of the pistol squat. All right, so we're just going to do fully extend the right leg and we're going to bend the left leg. Okay, this is a touchdown. Okay, touchdown, you're tapping the ground with your heel, all right? And the way you're going to do it is you're going to hinge your hips to the back, you're going to lean your chest and your shoulders forward, okay? So you can get used to the pistol squat movement. Once you're able to do this, you can start increasing your height by 2 or 3 plates, or you can start using a bench or your stable chair and doing the same movement. All right, so leaning forward, hinge your hips, take your butt to the back and try to do a touchdown. If you're using a really high chair like me, you don't need to do the touchdown yet. All right, okay, so this is the movement. Once you gain the strength to do this movement, try to go lower. All right, so try to do the touchdown. All right, this is the second step. And the third step is we're gonna use once again the bench, and I'm gonna do it with my other leg. Now we're gonna get used to the opposite leg movement for the pistol squat. All right, so what we're trying to do now is same movement, hinge your hips, shoulders and chest forward, and we're gonna take the opposite leg forward. 1, 2. You can see that this movement is getting more and more alike like the pistol squat. All right, these are the 3 steps that I'm showing you today, and just try to go deeper every time. That's right. Okay, and this is easier because as you can see, if I do a pistol squat on the ground, I need to raise more this leg. If I do it on a chair, I don't need to raise it more, so I don't need a lot of mobility, and it will help you to build those strength. All right, so these are the 3 steps that I advise you to do in order to accomplish your first of many pistol squat that you're gonna do. All right, I hope you like this video. I hope you can do this. I hope you try it by yourself, and also I hope that you click subscribe. I hope that you follow my page on Instagram, Alejo.coach. Alejo.coach. It's my Instagram page, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.